Good morning, Year 3. I hope you're all well. Mr. Grocott here with a bit more maths for you again. Today we're going to be looking at equivalency of centimetres and metres. Now, we touched a little bit on this yesterday with a couple of our questions, and we're going to dive into a bit more detail with it today. So to start with, just a bit of general knowledge, which should help you, should you need to remember these conversions. Century means 100 years. Centurion is one of 100 soldiers. And there are 100 cents in a euro. So thinking carefully about what a cent is worth, how many centimetres are in a metre? There are 100 centimetres in 1 metre. And that's going to help us with our work today. So let's dive straight in. So here we've got if 1 metre equals 100 centimetres, how many is 4 metres worth? Well, I know that each of these boxes, 1 metre, is worth 100 centimetres. So that one must also be worth 100 centimetres. That one must be worth 100 centimetres. And that one must be worth 100 centimetres. So now I can count up 100, 200, 300, 400. So 4 metres is worth 400 centimetres. Nice and easy, isn't it? See if you can work this one out. And welcome back a few pause. So what you hopefully will have noticed is that the bottom ones say 100 centimetres. And it says 200 centimetres equals. So these must be metre boxes. So we know 100 centimetres is worth 1 metre. So that one must also be 1 metre. 1 metre add a metre is 2 metres. Well done if you got that right. Now, I'm going to do the first one of these, and then you're going to do the next two. So we've got 7 metres. Well, I know that's worth 700 centimetres. If 1 is 100, 7 must be 700. See if you can work out number 2 and 3. And welcome back a few pause. So for number 2, you should have figured, well, 9 metres, there's 100 centimetres for every metre. So 9 times 100, well, that's 900. 900 centimetres. And then this one, 600 centimetres, well, 100 centimetres is worth 1 metre, so 600 centimetres must be worth 6 metres. Well done if you got those right. On to our next question, nice and easy. 500 centimetres is equal to how many metres and how many centimetres? Now, as you can see, I've split it. So in one box I can have my metres, and in one box I can have my centimetres. So 530, well, I know every 100 centimetres is a metre. I've got 500 of them there, so that's 5 metres. And then I've got 30 centimetres left over. Now, 30 centimetres doesn't give me a metre, so that's just going to stay over as 30 centimetres. So my answer is 530 centimetres is equal to 5 metres and 30 centimetres. It's that easy. See if you can figure out this one. And welcome back a few pause. So, nice and easy. We know that 200 of those centimetres is worth 2 metres. We've then got 7 centimetres left over. Now, we don't write 7 centimetres as 07 centimetres, do we? No, we don't need to. We just write 7 centimetres. So 207 centimetres is worth 2 metres and 7 centimetres. Well done if you got that right. Now then, I want to know what the values of these lines are. I've gone from 0 metres to 1 metre. Well, I know that must really be 100 centimetres. That's nice and easy, isn't it? So then how much is 1 little box worth? Let's count how many we've got. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 boxes. Well, 100 divided by 10. That's nice and easy. It's 10 centimetres. So each of those little boxes is worth 10 centimetres. Knowing that knowledge, how much is this line worth? Have a go. What you should have noticed is, well, there's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 70 centimetres. So well done if you were able to figure that out. The answer is 70 centimetres. And that's all from me today. Silver will be questions 1 to 4, gold is questions 5 to 7, and platinum is on a separate sheet. Enjoy your work today, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Bye.